Good morning, students. Today we are going to see about text function in Excel. Before going to see text functions, let's see what is function. So, function in Excel is a predefined formula that uses specific values called arguments to perform calculations. So function can be used to quickly find the sum, average, minimum, maximum values for a set of values. Next, so each function must be typed with the equal symbol and the name of the function. Example, equals sum. And the function must be have the argument, that is within the open and closed bracket we have to mention the cell range. For example, if you want to total some 5 numbers or 10 numbers, you have to mention from which cell to which cell we are going to add. Okay. So let's see text functions. So the text function in Excel converts number into text string using a specified format. Next, the text function lets you change the way a string appears by applying formatting to it with format codes. So today we are going to see some text functions. In which way we are using it in Excel. So the first function is left. So the left function is used to extract the leftmost character from a text. Let's see with the example. So here, in the first cell, I am typing Arul college. So Arul on the college. Let's adjust the cell size. Okay. So I just want to extract the leftmost character, that is Arul. Okay. Then in the cell B, I type like that the function equals. So every function must begin with an equal symbol. Left, then you have to mention the cell like this. Okay. Next, how many characters? Now press the enter key. So arrow is displayed. So this is the result for the left function. Next, go to the next function, right. So the right function is also used to extract the rightmost character from the string. Okay. So let's see the next example. So this is the file. Now equals right, open bracket, cell address A1. I want the character comma. So write A1 comma E. So college A2. Now we are taking from Department of Commerce to commerce. Let's move on to the next function. Mid. So the mid function is used to extract the middle character. Okay, here we have to give the text and also starting character and number of characters. So I am using the text Arul and the college for this purpose. So now equals mid. We are going to get the middle character. So mid, open bracket, text in A1 cell and starting character. From which character you want? So 6 characters to 12 characters. So now let's go on in the call. Okay. Next, function is len. So len function is used to display the number of characters in a particular string. Okay. So now for this purpose I use the text in the A2 step. Okay. So now type the formula equals len open brackets A2. Enter. So 22. So number of characters in the string department of commas is 22. Let's move on to the next function. So proper. This proper function is used to display the exact value, exact string. It is capitalized each word. So you can explain it with the example here. So I typed Arlanandar College in lowercase letter. Now we can display it in a proper manner. Okay. So equals proper. So cell address is A5. Now press the enter key. You can see the outputs. So Arlanandar College. So the proper function is used to display the each word in a text in a string in the each word in a string in a capitalized. Okay, let's move on to the next function. So rep means repeating. So suppose if you want to repeat a particular word in a number of times, we can use the rep function. So for this one, I type the word welcome. So now we can use the function equals rep, then the cell address A6, and you have to give the number of times, how many times that you want to repeat. So I type 3. Now you can see the output. So the word welcome is displayed 3 times. This is the use of the rep function. Next function. So trim. This trim function is used to remove the unnecessary space in a particular string. Suppose if I type Thomas with PA. I put some much space in between the word with and the PA. So now we can use the trim function to remove the unnecessary space. Let's see, equals trim open bracket. Now you have to give the cell address A7. Now enter. So Thomas with this PA. It removes the unnecessary space. Let's see the next function. Concatenate. So the concatenate function is used to combine 2 or more text into a single string. So if you type 3 of text in different cells, it is used to combine. For example, with the help of the plus operator in Java, we can combine 2 texts. And also with the help of concatenate function. In the same way, Excel also we have concatenate function. Now I type in one cell and the in one cell and college. Now we are going to combine these 3 texts into one cell. Equal. Now open bracket, then we have to give the cell address. So A8, comma B8, comma C8. Then close, enter. So Arlanandar College is displayed in a single cell. Okay, so this is the out. Okay. Let's go to the next function. So upper function, and the last one we are going to see the lower function. So the upper function is used to change the lowercase letter into uppercase, and the lowercase function is used to change the uppercase string into lowercase. You can see the example here. So now I am using the lowercase function, lower case 9. So all the characters in the around the file is converted into lower. Next. So now I am going to use the upper function to convert the lowercase letter into upper. So all the characters is changed into uppercase. Okay, thank you students.